Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook falooda sev. First, ensure you have the correct type of thin vermicelli, often labeled as falooda sev. You'll also need a large pot and a strainer. Prepare by filling your pot with at least 4 to 5 cups of water, ready to bring to a boil. This initial step is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked, non-sticky sev for your delicious dessert. Once your water reaches a vigorous, rolling boil, carefully add about 100 grams of falooda sev. Stir gently to prevent sticking. Cook the sev for approximately 3 to 5 minutes, or until it becomes tender yet still retains a slight bite. It's important not to overcook, as this can make the sev mushy and less appealing in your falooda. Immediately after cooking, drain the sev using a fine mesh strainer. Then, rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for about 1 minute. This stops the cooking process and washes away excess starch, preventing the strands from clumping together. Allow the sev to cool completely before incorporating it into your falooda, ensuring a refreshing and delightful texture. For best results, store your cooked falooda sev in an airtight container in the refrigerator. You can even add a little cold water to keep it from drying out, though ensure it's drained before use. It will remain fresh and ready to use for up to 2 to 3 days, making your falooda preparation quick and easy whenever a craving strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.